Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to create topics in TextIQ. I'm Madi and I'm excited to walk you through the simple steps to get you started. TextIQ is designed to help you analyze open-ended responses with ease. First, log into your Qualtrics account and open your survey. Then navigate to TextIQ, which can be found under Data and Analysis tab. Here you'll have an overview of all your data. To start creating topics, click the plus button here on the left. A window will pop up allowing you to name your topic. Choose a name that clearly represents the idea or the theme you're trying to categorize, such as customer service. Then click Save. You can see that your topic was added here on the left. Then add keywords that are relevant and are related to this topic, such as help, assist, or customer service. To add a keyword, click the three dots here, and then add the topic below, and type in help. Make sure that you tick the box here because this will place your keyword under the parent topic. Then press Save. Once you've added all your keywords, the platform will immediately and automatically categorize all your responses. Once you've collected enough responses, the platform itself will be able to suggest topics that are relevant to your question. In my case, the survey is about an airport, and you can see on the right that I have flight delayed, updates, and seat. Another tip that we can give is to use ChatGPT. All you have to do is type in your question and ask for topic recommendations, and then you can import them all using the previous steps. And that's it, you've created a topic in TextIQ. If you have any questions, please refer to our TextIQ guide or contact our support team. Thank you for watching.